Welcome to Biomedical Job Updates Worldwide. Kiran Medical System. Location is at Cochin, Kerala only. Designation is Service Engineer. Products are CM, Mammography and DR. Number of vacancy position is 1. Educational qualification must be BE in Biomedical Engineer. Experience must be within 5 years. Ausin Intensive Care Private Limited. Designation is Hospital Biomedical Engineer. Location is at Ahmedabad, Vadodara. Number of position vacant is 5. Education must be diploma or degree in biomedical engineering. Experience must be within 3 years. Male candidates are preferred more. Himalaya Medical Services. Post is biomedical engineer. Number of posts vacant is 1. Location is at Bangalore. Qualification is BE biomedical or in electronics. 2 to 3 years experienced candidates are preferred more. Immediate joining is preferred. Send your resume to the given mail ID. Samurai Healthcare Private Limited. Post is Senior Sales Engineer. Products are OT lights and OT tables etc. Location is at Vijayawada. Qualification must be BTech in Biomedical Engineering. 3 to 5 years experienced candidates are preferred more. Send your resume to the given mail ID. TransAsia Biomedical Limited. Post is Service Engineer. Products is Biochemistry and Hematology. Location is at Darbhanga. Qualification is BE or BTech and Biomedical Instrumentation Engineering. Candidates should send your resume to the given number for the further application. DSM Medica System. Location is at Pondicherry. Designation is Field Sales and Service Engineer. Products are ultrasound, X-ray, CR and DR. Number of vacant position is 1. Qualification must be BE in Biomedical Engineering or any degree with relevant field. Wipro GE Healthcare. Post is Application and Sales Specialist. Products are neonatal ventilator, baby warmer, incubator, etc. Location is at Nagpur. Qualification must be BE in Biomedical Engineering. 2 years experienced candidates are preferred more. Send your resume to given mail. Shile Healthcare Private Limited. Post is Service Engineer. Products are CT Mission. Location is Pan India. Number of position vacant is 2. Qualification must be Diploma, BTech or BE in Biomedical Engineering or Instrumentation. Send your resume to the given mail ID. Epic Enterprises. Post is Senior Sales and Sales Executive. Products are CR, DR, X-ray and CM system. Location is at Indore. 1 to 2 years experienced candidate are preferred more. Interested persons can send your resume to the given mail ID. Godrej Memorial Hospital. Post is Biomedical Engineer. Number of posts vacant is 1. Location is at Mumbai. Qualification must be BE or Diploma in Biomedical Engineering. 4 years experienced candidates are preferred more. Send your resume to the given mail. Crooks Medical Systems and Services. Post is for Application and Sales Specialist. Products are cardiac therapy devices. Location is at Tamilnadu. Qualification must be BE in Biomedical Engineering. Experience must be within 3 years. Contact the person and send your resume to the given mail ID. Allenges Medical Systems Limited. Post their hiring is for Service Engineer. Number of posts vacant is 3. Products is radiology related. Location is Ahmedabad, Vadodara and Rajkot. Qualification must be Diploma, degree in Biomedical Engineering. Amigo Medical Devices. Post is Service Engineer. Products are ventilator, monitors, anesthesia example. Location is at Pune. Qualification must be Diploma in Biomedical or in Instrumentation. Experience must be within 1 year. 2-wheelers or must. Interested candidates send your CV to the given mail. Terumo Penpol Private Limited. Post is Service Engineer. Product is blood bank equipments. Location is at Indore. Qualification must be Diploma or ECE in the Biomedical Engineering. Experience must be within 2 years. Send your resume to the given mail. Lennox Technologies. Post is Junior Electronics Engineer. Products is X-ray and ultrasound. Location is at Kanpur. Qualification must be BTech or MTech in power electronics and PCB designing. 2+ years experience is needed and interested candidates send your resume. Phoenix Medical Systems Private Limited Chennai, post is Field Service Engineer, products is neonatal equipments. Location is at Hubli. Qualification must be Diploma or BE in Biomedical Engineering. Freshers are also eligible, male candidates are preferred more. Send your CV to the given mail. Meridian Life Care, post is Service Engineer, products are all type of lab equipments. Location is at Punjab and Haryana. Qualification must be BE in Biomedical Electronics Engineer. Preferably local candidates are hired more. Send your resume to the given mail ID and contact the number. Jahangir Hospital, post is Biomedical Engineer, male candidates are preferred more. Location is at Pune. Qualification must be BE in Biomedical Engineering. Contact the given number for further details and send your resume to the given mail ID. Akash Medical Equipment, post their hiring is for Area Sales Executive. Location is at Chennai. Number of vacancy is 3. Qualification must be BE in Biomedical Engineering. Send your resume to the given mail ID. Contact the person for further queries. M-Man Medical System, post their hiring is for Sales Executive. Products are X-ray, ultrasound and ECG. Locations are Thiruvarur, Mayiladurai, Thiruvarur and Chennai. Qualification must be BE in Biomedical Medical Electronics. 2 years experienced candidates are preferred more. Lakshmi Surgicals, post is Application Specialist, 100% field job is assured. Number of post vacant is 1. Products are orthobiologics and autologous cell therapy. Location is at Salem. Qualification must be BSc, MSc or BE in any science relevant field. SS Enterprises, post their hiring is for sales. Number of posts vacant is 4. Products are all type of OT equipments. Experience must be within 4 years. Send your resume to the given number or the given mail ID. SK Medical Services, post is Trainee Engineer and Service Engineer. Equipment must be X-ray and CM, Alangers and CT scan cath lab. Location is Mumbai and in Maharashtra. Experienced candidates and freshers are also eligible for this role. Send your resume to the given mail ID. Aeonian Biomedical, post is Sales Engineer. Number of posts is 1. Location is at Vizianagaram and Visakhapatnam. Products are all type of biomedical equipments. Experience must be within 2 years. Send your resume to the given number or mail ID. JSW Multi-Speciality Hospital, location is at Bellary, Karnataka. Designation is Junior Biomedical Engineer. Number of vacant posts is 1. Educational qualification must be BE in Biomedical Engineering. Freshers are also eligible and the experienced candidates within 1 year are also eligible. Sri Satya Sai Sarla Memorial Hospital, job title is Biomedical Engineer. Experience must be within 3 years. Qualification must be BE, BTech in Medical Electronics or Biomedical Engineering. Number of position vacant is 1. Location is at Chikkabalpur. Send your resume to the given mail. Bionics Medical Service India Private Limited, position is Biomedical Service Engineer. Location is at Tirunelveli, Tamilnadu, India. Contact their website for further queries and interested candidates send your resume to the given mail ID. Kaveri Hospital, position is Senior Biomedical Engineer. Location is at Alvarpet, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. Qualification must be BE in Biomedical Engineering. Send your resume to the given mail ID and if there is any queries, contact their website. A1 Meditech India Private Limited, position is Biomedical Engineer. Location is at Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Send your resume to the given mail ID. Contact the number and their website for further queries. Panimalar Medical College Hospital, post is Senior Biomedical Engineer and Junior Biomedical Engineer. Number of posts vacant is 2. 3 years experienced candidates are preferably hiring more. Location is at Chennai. Qualification must be BE in Biomedical Engineering. ITSA Hospital, post is Junior Biomedical Engineer, number of posts vacant is 1. Products is all type of medical equipments. Location is at Raipur. Qualification must be BE, BTech or Diploma in Biomedical Engineering or Instrumentation. Send your resume to the given mail ID. Medway Group of Hospital, post is Biomedical Engineer, number of posts vacant is 2. Products is all type of medical equipments. Location is at Chennai. Qualification must be BE in Biomedical Engineering. Freshers are also eligible for this role. Contact the person and send your resume to the given mail. Reputed healthcare client of Prima Donna Human Connections India. Post is Service Engineer. Number of posts is 1. Products are medical devices related with ultrasound. Location is at Mumbai. Qualification must be BE or BTech in Biomedical. Male candidates are only preferred for this role. Healthcare client of Prima Donna Human Connections India. Sales engineer post is for hiring. Products is all type of medical devices. Any male or female candidates with BE Biomedical Engineering degree are preferably hiring. Send your resume to the given mail. Novel Patent Services. Location is at Andhra Pradesh. Job type is full-time. Send your resume to the given mail ID. The candidates with MTech, ME or Masters in Biomedical Engineering or Biotechnology are more preferred for this role. Abable Healthcare Private Limited. Role is Biomedical Service and Sales Engineer. Location is at Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. Salary expected is 20,000 to 50,000 per month. Job type is full-time. Send your resume to the given number and contact the person for further details. MECCOM Services Private Limited. Post is Biomedical Engineer. Number of posts is 1. Location is at Hyderabad, Hubli and Miraj. Qualification must be Diploma or degree in Biomedical Engineering. Send your resume to the given mail ID for further application. Profound Meditech. Role is Sales Engineer. Number of posts is 1. The location is at Chennai. Products is all type of medical devices. Qualification must be BE or BTech in Biomedical Instrumentation or any degree. Experience must be within 1 year. Send your resume to the given mail ID or the contact number. CareMed. Position is Biomedical Engineer. Female candidates are only hired for this position. Industry type is hospital. Experience must be within 3 years or more than that. Join immediately and for further details contact the number. Thank you. Stay tuned for further updates.